Ken from Island Carpet here on Tree of Life, which is this magnificent old sailboat. And we were asked to come in and renovate the heads before it makes its trip to Maine for some repairs. Complex project requiring a lot of patience. Of course, we have the best in the business, Kasey Harkin.
It takes a little longer for things to set up on a boat, being the fact that we're currently in the ocean. Using laser levels. Line goes a little. You gotta do it multiple times. It takes a lot of patience on a boat.
They went with a really large subway tile. It's the English handmade style. So you'll see we've got a wavy edge, kind of an undulated surface. Everything about it says handmade, what we call a crackle finish. Problem is, crackle finish not real practical for a boat, because if water gets into the finish, it can actually ruin the whole finish. But what they've done is they've come up with a simulated crackle finish, so you get the best of both worlds. You get the interesting, subtle pattern in the tile, but you also have something that's going to stand up to a lot of water.
All the teak has Curdy fixed, so that way if water ever were to get past this tile seam to the teak's protected.
We're really excited with how this project has turned out, thanks to Kasey. I only wish I could go to Maine with a boat and take a shower. Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods.